The Rhodes overalls are a very simple beginner tutorial if you're looking to make a cute pair of overalls for a baby or a toddler. A way to customize these overalls is to change the straps into ties. You can easily do this by printing out the tie pattern that comes with the Rhodes overalls, and you're going to cut this out 4 times so you can tape it to the original pattern. Line up the bottom of the ties to the top of the straps and tape it in place. Now you can cut out your pattern according to the directions, making sure you're cutting them on the fold where it says so. Next, you're going to lay out your front piece in front of you and add the pockets wherever you've chosen to place your pockets. Now take the front facing and lay it right sides facing together on top of the front pattern piece. Lining up the sides and the ties and the neckline, pin this in place and sew at 1/4 inch seam allowance going around the ties, and make sure you pivot at the top of the ties. Finish off the seam before turning it right side out using a serger, a zigzag stitch, or zigzag shears. After you've turned your facing right side out, you want to make sure you are making the points more prominent, and you can do this by using some scissors or a longer object. Go around the facing and iron it in place, making sure that the facing isn't sticking out when you iron it. You want to make sure that you're pulling it in the right direction and ironing it so that the facing stays on the back side. So after you've ironed everything in place, you also want to serge along the edge of the facing and then fold it under and iron that in place, and then do a 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch stitch just to keep this facing clean. Do the same thing for the back pieces, and then you're going to follow the rest of the Rhodes overalls instructions by lining up the side seams, sewing these in place, making sure you're finishing it off with a serger, and then you're also going to sew around the leg openings and finish off the bottom with a hem or elastic. If you want the full in-depth tutorial of the Rhodes overalls, you can click this next video.